स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे क्लोजिंग बेल सेंसेक्स जम्प्स 546 PTS निफ्टी above 26,100 mid small cap rally. BSE mid cap and small cap indices added 1%. Its biggest Nifty gainer were JSW Steel, Tata Steel, ONGC, SBI Life Insurance, Kotak Mahindra Bank, while loser include TCS, Bajaj Finance, Tech Mahindra, Graspin Industries, and Infosys. On the sectoral front, expected IT and telecom. All other indices closed in the green, with metal, media, capital goods, realty, private bank, PSU bank, consumer durable power up 1% each, while oil and gas index rose 2.5%. दिसंबर हम लोगों ने देखा मार्केट क्लोज निफ्टी above 2100, सेंसेक्स raised 546 points. Indian equity indices ended the final session of 2025 on a strong note, with Nifty finishing above 2026 100 on December 31st. At close, Sensex was up 545.52 points or 0.64% at 85,220.60, and the Nifty was up 190.75 points or 0.74% at 26,129.60. We were up to the edition of the Money Control Live Market vlogs and will back tomorrow morning with all latest update and our list. Please wait. और आप लोग ने देखा दिलीप वर्मा रिसर्च एनालिस्ट HDFC Securities. The Indian resumed its downward trajectory following Tuesday push weight down by a rebounding US dollar against major currencies. For the year 2025, the rupee emerged as the regional laggard, with spot price which soared by tightening dollar liquidity surging trade deficit, relatively high US traffic and capital flow. We anticipate a period of range-bound consolidation for US dollar, anchored between the 89.40 support and 90.26 resistance level. Gaurav Garg, Research Analysis, Lemon Market Desk. Indian equity benchmark rebounded supply on Wednesday, snapping their racing losing stack as strong buying in metal stock lifted overall the trend. The gain supported by board-based participation and positive market breaks. The rally was led by steel stock after the government imposed a 3-year safeguard duty of up to 12% on selected steel import, raising expectation of improved pricing power and profitable for domestic producer. JSW Steel and Tata Steel surged up to 5%. Driving gain across the metal space. Statement was further added by a mild decline in crude oil price, which helped ease inflation concern, and a cooling of volatility, with India VX slipping below 9.5 value Buying also emerged after the recent correction. As investors selectively accumulated stock following multiple sessions, decline in the benchmark border market joined the rebound with mid and small cap indices racing up to 1%, reinforcing the recovery. We remain cautious on the durabilities of the improved. President foreign institutional investor selling and the lack of fresh global or domestic tiger, particularly on the US-India trade front, continue to keep upside potential from a technical perspective, while the pullback from the lower level has provided short-term relief. The Nifty need to decisively move above the 26,000 to 26,050 zone to signal a cleaner reversal unit. Then market may remain range bound with a cautious bias even as bargain buying support entertainment rebound. Intermittent rebound. Abhinav Tayari, Research Analysis a Panja. Today the Indian equity market closed the final trading session of 2025 on a positive and confidence note, with benchmark indices ending firmly in the garden. The Nifty 50 closed at 26,129, while the Sensex gained around 545 points. During the session, the year-end rally reflected improving risks appetite supported by stable global cues and encouraging domestic development. Overall, Indian equities in the 2025 with high signal rate to low double-digit annual gains. The Union Cabinet approved fresh adjusted gross revenue relief for Vodafone Idea under the package is year dues of about 87,695 crore have been frozen with a 5-year moratoriums of payment and repayment push out of financial year 2032 to 41. This significance is near-term solely concern from Vodafone Idea and improved statement across the telecom value chain, including infrastructure players like Indus Tower. On the micro front, relevant IIP data pointed to steady manufacturing momentum toward the end of 2025. This reinforced confidence in India domestic growth outlook despite the global uncertainties. As a result, cycles, capital goods, and rate sensitive stock participate in the year-end recovery even as mid-cap performance remain selective. Meanwhile, metal and steel stock saw mixed moves. Market assisted India's decision to improve 5-year anti-dumping duty uncertain still. Imports from China, while the move it is structurally positive for domestic producers, some profit taking was seen after a strong rally even as the medium-term outlook of pricing power remains supportive. Thank you.